Hi Slayers, my name is Leniza. Welcome to Slaymasters, the best place for beauty, community, and self-expression. And today I will be showing you 3 easy updo hairstyle tutorials. It is ideal for type 4 hair, also for type 3B, 3C hair, but especially type 4 hair. So keep on watching and see how I will achieve 3 easy updo hairstyles. You will need the following tools. And for products you will need. Alright, so the first thing I'll be doing is parting this side, as I will be styling it in 4 sections with rubber bands or the little elastics. Just part it to your liking. So this is how my section is looking like. And like I said, we are going to part this in 4 small sections. So now I am going to go in with some Eco Gel or any gel of your choice. Now I am going to go in with my little elastic to hold that part. I try my best not to put this too tight, as I really want to be very gentle with my edges. So basically now I'm going to do the same thing I did for this section on the other 3 parts. Once all 4 sections are in elastics, this is how it should look like. And now we're going to move to step number 2. So with this step, we're going to bring this section and connect it with the bottom section. And then this front and bottom section, I'm going to bring it up with the top back section. So for the back part, I will be holding my hair up using a piece I cut from my pantyhose. This is like my favorite hack. It holds any amount of hair and it's super easy to have adjusted. So just for now, I will hold the hair with an elastic. Now I'm just going to go in and start from the back. You can now remove the hair elastic. So what you do is bring up the hair shrink at least halfway. And now we just start tightening the hair shrink to bring it all the way up. And I'm just going to tie in the back and hide any piece of the hair shrink somewhere in there. And here we go. This is how we should be looking like. So I did want my hair to have more definition for the bangs, but clearly that is all gone. So what I will do is just add my Eco Gel to some pieces of the hair just for some curl definition. Alright, for my bangs, I think I've added to enough hair. So it looks like this. And for my puff, I'm just going to do a little shape into it. Once you're satisfied with the shape of your puff and your bangs, we're just going to add some accessories to the side part, but only to the first 2 sections in the front. So, can't go wrong with some little gold cuffs. They're always super cute to make your hair just that much better. Last but not least, we're going to just do our edges or baby hair and fix whatever we need laid in the back. So here is our first updo hairstyle. It's super cute, super easy. I love this hairstyle. For style number 2 is going to be 2 high buns and a little remix. We're going to start by parting the hair right in the middle all the way down the back. Now I'm going to do some parting in the front on both sides. After a few attempts, this is how it's looking like. I have these two out the way as I will be working the front part first. I'm just going to be parting each side in little pieces and adding elastics to them. So it's going to be 3 sections on each side, so I'm going to do my best to part them all evenly. Keyword is I'm going to try my best. I am done parting each section. Nothing too perfect, but I try to make it as even as possible on each side. I'm going to start with the top section and add some Eco Gel to my roots. Now that I'm done with this side, I'm going to repeat the same steps on this side. Just going to spray a little bit of water as my hair is now extremely dry. And then going ahead with my gel. And some light brushing. So this is how it looks like once all the sections are in place with elastics. I'm going to move this out the way for now. And I'm going to work the 2 buns. Going to spray a little bit of water. Going in with my gel. Now we're going to come back to the front section. Water. Now all we're going to do is basically a 2-strand twist out. Same thing with the other side. So now I'm going to go in with the black elastic to hold the hair in the back. And just to finish off, I'm going to do my baby hair. And here's look number 2. Super quick, super easy, and I love it. I did have to change my shirt. The other one wasn't doing it for the style, not the colors or anything. But I do love this hairstyle. And last but not least, look number 3. This one is a very simple high puff with a minor side swoop. Since my hair is already parted from my previous hairstyle, this part will be super simple. I will just be putting that aside. I'm just picking my hair for some extra volume. I do want a nice full puff. A little water. Just gonna hold my hair to make this easier for me. To hold my puff up, I will be going in with my handy dandy stretchy shrink for my pantyhose, as I mentioned in my first look tutorial. I will start from the back. I will push this up halfway. And then I will start tightening the string. Now that I'm all set with the puff, I'm going to work with the side swoop. As far as the side swoop, I'm not going to do a super sleek style. It's just going to be very loose, natural side swoop. I'm going to use a bobby pin to hold it in the back. Use as many as you need. Once you get the swoop to where you want it, we'll move along to the baby hair. And here's look number 3, a very elegant updo with a little swoop. As you can see, it's very natural looking, very easy on the edges, and it's still a very nice hairstyle. Let's get a little side view. Make sure to join our community, sign up for our newsletter, and subscribe below. Now go out there and slay these hairstyles.